IBO stock analysis and price prediction. Is it a buy? Watch the short 1 minute video till the end to find out. So I've been looking at Impact Biomedical stock. It is 107 freaking percent up. So where the heck am I looking to buy? Am I looking to buy even more here, or am I not? To be very honest and frank, this is where we are, and all I'm looking to do is, yeah, milk it out the most that I can. When I see a beautiful expansion up like this, intraday trades are, although this is a supply zone in theory, these trades are still all looking for me to take, you know, more buys. And I truly mean like what I say here. So unless the price does pull down and shows me any sort of shift here, buying is just not going to be the answer, nor like anything else to it. So I will continue to keep you updated if any means, right? But if my rules are not met, then I guess it is going to be nothing that I'm going to be willing to touch. I mean, I have some previous receipts with IBO, so I'm very excited. Pre-market's going to matter a ton. If you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free newsletter.